Hello guys, well here today we have a brand new iPhone 11. This is the red color. I got this one actually for my wife. She really likes the iPhone. I'm more into the Android. But this is the one I got today. It's brand new in the box, 128 gigabytes. And we're gonna open it. Let's see what's inside and let's try to find out what's in this new iPhone 11 compared to the previous iPhone XR. As we can see, this one has a similar design as the previous one, and we know they come in a number of colors, offer an aluminum frame and a glass rear. We got here also some paper, the clip to open the SIM card, some Apple stickers, headphones, USB cable, charger, pretty much everything we get on any other iPhone. On this iPhone 11, this one is actually rated IP68, which offers submergence up to 2 meters for 30 minutes versus the 1 meter on the previous iPhone. And there is also a dual 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor camera on the rear with a camera housing that features frosted glass versus the single rear camera in the previous iPhone, making this for the main improvement in design between these two devices. There is optical image stabilization and a brighter true tone flash and portrait lighting with 6 effects, as well as next generation smart HDR for photos. On this iPhone 11, there is also a 12 megapixel true depth camera on the front, and next generation smart HDR for photos and 4K video recording at 24, 30, and 60 footprints. And we also got a slow motion video option on the iPhone's 11 front camera, which is a pretty good option. And both the iPhone 11 and the XR have 6.1-inch liquid retina LCD display that has a 1792 by 828 pixel resolution. Nothing really has changed in terms of display when it comes to the cheaper iPhone models. The iPhone 11 and the XR are basically identical, I would say. There is a night mode and auto adjustments on the iPhone 11. Night mode offers a significant improvement in low light environments compared to the previous iPhones. We got also an improvement in hardware. The iPhone 11 is moving from A12 to A13 chip, and the iPhone 11 offers a better battery life, about 17 hours, compared to the XR, which I believe was about 12 hours. Both models, the 11 and the XR, come in 64, 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes storage options. Both devices support dual SIM with a nano SIM and eSIM, and both iPhones are charged via Lightning. They also offer Apple Pay, and they both offer 4G but not 5G capabilities yet. The iPhone 11 comes with iOS 13, which means several new features, including dark mode, a new Find My app that combines Find My Friends and Find My iPhone together, a sweeping keyboard, an overhaul of reminders, and several other features and updates. The iPhone 11 has a couple of features here and there that are hardware based, mainly in the camera department, and therefore not available on the iPhone XR. But on the whole, the software experience between these devices is pretty identical. Price talking, the XR is about $600. This iPhone 11, about $700. I actually pay 750. Actually, I pay $800 for this one because this is the 128 gigabytes. Okay, folks, I hope you liked my video. Please leave me any comments. Subscribe to my channel if you can. That would really help me. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.